Why does your scanner show the P0846 engine code? And what does it mean? The P0846 engine fault code stands for Transmission Fluid Pressure Sensor Switch B Circuit Range Performance. The P0846 engine error code indicates an issue with the transmission fluid pressure sensor Switch B circuit. This sensor monitors hydraulic pressure in the transmission and helps regulate gear shifting. The code typically points to abnormal readings or performance in the sensor's circuit. What causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty TFP sensors, wiring issues, fluid problems, faulty TCM, solenoid or internal faults. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. This code typically applies to all vehicles equipped with OBD2 systems, including but not limited to Jeep, Nissan, and Honda vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.